I just got my new radiator in the mail today. I'm pretty excited because I actually haven't been able to drive my truck in over a week. So the reason I had to buy this one is because my old Griffin thermal product radiator started leaking for no reason. It only had like 2,000 kilometers on it. I checked out the reviews before ordering the same one again under warranty, and I've seen quite a bit of people complain about leaking. So I got this Be Cool. Hopefully this one lasts longer. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It looks good. Hopefully it doesn't leak. I just took all the hoses off, also got the transmission lines off and the fans. The problem I have now is that the fans don't fit on my new radiator. They were made for this rad specifically, so I'm gonna have to figure out some way to make brackets or something to hold them in place. But I think I can screw it on the bottom through these holes where it was originally mounted on the old rad. But up top, the cooling fins are just too close. I don't want to risk punching a hole into a water line or something, but I'm gonna make brackets and it'll be just as strong as what it was. I just finished mounting and plumbing the new rad. Earlier in the video I had said that I wasn't sure what I was going to do for the top brackets to hold the fans in place. But what I did, I used the original brackets. I put urethane in it and molded it to the new rad and also to the fans, so it holds everything in place. It's super strong and it was actually pretty easy to do. Also, I had to move this bracket over because it was in the way of the radiator cap. So let's take it out for a drive and see if it leaks. The truck works amazing so far with the new radiator. It's such a blast to drive, especially with that 6-liter in it. It sounds amazing. I can't get enough of it. I'm working on my 68 C10. Expect a video on that pretty soon.